What makes this little ukulele a big win for music teachers? Let's take a closer look at the Kala KA-15S. Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Brondyke, the category manager for guitars, ukuleles, and folk instruments here at West Music. And today I'm showing you why the Kala KA-15S is one of our top picks for music educators. But before we get into what makes this one special, let's talk about why ukuleles are such a great addition to your music classroom. Ukuleles are one of the easiest and most accessible ways to bring string playing into your music room. They're low pressure, budget friendly, and you don't need a bunch of accessories to get started. Plus, their compact size and friendly design make them a perfect fit for young students. With just 4 strings, they're easier to learn than guitar, and they help students build coordination, rhythm, and musicality. Best of all, ukuleles are a hands-on, engaging way to introduce music from different cultures and genres into the classroom. Now let's talk specifically about the Kala KA-15S Soprano Ukulele. It features a mahogany body for a warm, mellow tone. The satin finish not only looks great, it helps the wood breathe and resonate naturally. It's also equipped with upgraded tuning machines to get your strings in tune quickly and help them stay there, a huge plus for any classroom. So what makes the KA-15S a smart choice for your students? It delivers great sound at an affordable price, whether you're buying one for yourself or outfitting your whole class. And at West Music, we offer customizable classroom sets of the KA-15S, so you can get exactly what you and your students need to succeed no matter the size of your program. The KA-15S checks all the boxes for the music classroom. It's reliable, great sounding, and budget friendly. You can find both individual and classroom sets of the KA-15S right now at westmusic.com. Just click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, instrument demos, and teaching tools. And tell us in the comments, do you have a ukulele program in your classroom? If so, what's your favorite song to teach? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.